friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Code. In this video I'll be talking about the auto brightness feature functionality in the Poco X3 device. As you can see friends, so in this video I'll be testing the auto brightness, the speed it is increasing and decreasing the auto brightness depending on the lighting conditions. So let's see whether the speed is actually faster or is it any slow in terms of changing the brightness if you use auto brightness mode in the Poco X3 or not. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 device. And if you go to the settings and the display, you can find the battery level here. As you can see, so there is two different modes here. One is the automatic brightness mode and second is the sunlight mode. So if you don't know what is sunlight mode, is that the sunlight mode, if you enable this option, so the phone screen brightness will only increase under the daylight condition. So under this artificial light, the brightness of the phone doesn't increase. So only in the sunlight, so the brightness of the screen will increase. So this can be an advantage for some of the users. For example, if you're in the room and with the different lighting conditions, you don't want screen brightness to be changing every time under the lighting condition. So if you enable this option, so when you're out of the room in the natural environment, then definitely the brightness will increase a lot if you use this sunlight mode. So that's why every time when I'm going to work, I'll prefer to use this sunlight mode. So every time I step out of my building, the brightness will automatically increase instead of increasing every time if you choose this automatic brightness. But in this video, I'll be testing the automatic brightness, how it is working and what is the speed of the automatic brightness as well. So for that, let me try to decrease the brightness, and now let me try to enable the auto brightness mode so you can actually see the speed it is increasing right now. As you can see friends, the speed is very good and very fast as well. So it did came close to 60% of the battery. So now I am using the flashlight exactly to aim at the auto brightness to make sure that it's going to the maximum. As you can see here, so it did go to the maximum. So now it is at the maximum level. So at the maximum 100% brightness, the phone will increase slightly more brighter. So let me try to demonstrate again. As you can see friends, this is a normal lighting condition. Now let me try to use this flashlight here. So just observe how it is increasing. As you can see, the last 1% it did increase a lot of brightness. So that is what I did observe friends. So now let me try to move apart. As you can see here, so auto brightness is working pretty good and very fine in this mobile phone, in the Poco X3 phone, so without any issues, and the brightness is very good. So after 90% of the brightness, the 100% will be a lot different, like a lot brighter than the normal. So that's a good thing in the Poco X3 device, which is I did side by side brightness comparison with other smartphones as well. So try to check the links in description about those videos about the Poco X3 smartphone. And in case if you're wondering what launcher I'm using, this is the iOS launcher which I'm using in this phone. And if you want to know more details about this iOS launcher, do check that video as well, which I did upload on the Poco X3 device. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.